So, guys, you know, stuff like this happens to a lot of us that likes to push the limits. Fortunately, I've been doing that quite a bit lately, you know what I mean? And, I'm not going to tell anybody what to do with their vehicles, their motorcycles, whatever, You got to do the things that brings you joy. You got to do the things that makes you happy, right? Well, 500 plus wheel horsepower, the 4.7 final drive, ITR, Type R transmission. I gotta tell you, it's car is an animal. It's nuts. You know what I mean? So be able to enjoy that, and it's very fulfilling to me. But we're taking a risk, and you know what I mean. I done it, and I'm sure you done it. A lot of us has done it, and it is what it is. But just gonna go ahead and just kind of start working on it, and just try to bring it back up. That's all we can do, right? So yeah, let's start, huh? Probably start with the oil pan, draining the oil pan. Draining the oil. Look how bad this thing smashed, and it's still not busted. You know what I mean? Look at that silicone. No leaks. See that? No leaks. No leaks. Yeah, I know it's not like the Vato all cleaned up, but that's what happened when you drive in the rain and all this crazy weather, But yeah, all right, let's get to it. Let's take this apart. Yeah. The traction bar has a little bit of bend right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put new traction bars on. So somebody wants to get this off of me, let me know. It's straight right here. The only thing is a little bit bent right there, but I'm gonna have to re-weld those tabs back on the other one and all that. But yeah, all right, let's get to it, huh? Which we are taking the oil pan off right now. So it looks like the Type S oil pump is still good. Yeah, Type S oil pump still looks good. I'm gonna go over all the bolts, make sure the bolts are tight. Look at that, looking fresh. Look at this motor, guys. This is the motor I have in my car. This thing's probably got 200,000 miles, and look at it, still running. Still running. I see that oil pump looking fresh. Yeah, buddy. I don't see no sludge at the bottom of the oil pan. I don't see no shavings or anything, so that was looking good. Man, this silicone, oh my goodness, it was brutal to take it off. It was brutal. But it is out now, so now it's time to clean up. Clean up this block. And we got show you what kind of oil pan we're gonna put on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, right. Unit 2 fabrication, Let's take all this stuff off. But yeah, look at that, huh? Stuff from Ktuned I gotta replace. Ball joint I gotta replace. But yeah, look at that. That's the oil pan that's going in. Yeah, buddy. You're gonna see. So when you go beast mode, actually you have oil. It's gonna be nicely trapped in there versus this where it's just nothing, Plus I think all that stuff makes it stronger too, All that stuff that's welded on there, so yeah, buddy. Motor's looking good. I don't see no shavings at the bottom of the oil pan at all. Like you would see if there's any kind of, Well, we're looking good. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. Okay.
So, I'm gonna take a break, you know what I'm saying? So I went inside. Just made me a bagel with some cream cheese, feta cheese, salmon, and tomatoes. I mean, I would love to share with y'all, but hey, you're not here, so hey, you know what? I mean, as you can tell, it's just me. So, do it for me, not for you. Sorry. Ooh, Dr. Papa.
Got the unit 2 fabrication open up in there, bray. Hey, look at that for no scratches or nothing. Oh, it's so fresh. Oh, looks so good. Oh, you should feel this. Feels so good. Oh, yeah, buddy. Looks so good.
Got the KLM tuck radiator. I made 2 brackets, bolted up, and now I'm gonna weld it. I'm gonna weld those brackets right there. Yeah, buddy. Welcome everybody to Vasily Garage. As you probably saw the intro every time with one of these. So should I say welcome everybody to Vasily Garage. And today's video, or more videos to come up, is trying to get Monika back up. So go a little bit over the damage that has happened. It's mainly underneath the car. As you can tell, traction bar, oil pan right here, smashed. Oil cooler. Inner cooler looks okay. Radiator looks a little bent, but we got a new one from KLM. Shout out to KLM. We got a bad wheel bearing right here. Can you hear that? Bad wheel bearing. Gotta get that fixed. This side skirt looks good, but the other one is bad. We got side skirts. Got new traction bar, new oil cooler, new oil pan. Looks like the bracket for the alternator might be busted. So, and then looks like this piece right here. Actually, this has saved some of the damage. We're gonna have to drain the E85 because it's been sitting for who knows how long. I'm not gonna paint the car, but I'm gonna try to kind of see if I can bring this up a little bit, but you know, try my best with it. But upper bar joint, I think it's got a little place. Probably do that, you know. But yeah, I mean, gotta take the inner cooler off and take everything off and rewire everything.